On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money from home as a complete beginner with zero skills and without any experience. This method is very easy, and the best part is that you are not required to invest anything. Everything is free and you can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join, but in this case, I'm using Store24. Store24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for it and then join. Once you join, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace, so that you can find digital products to promote. Once you click on the Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find a product to promote. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote, so just select any of them that you want. Once you select it, you can promote it to earn money from home. There are a lot of different products that you can promote. As for school, you can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can search by categories. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can select any subcategory of digital products that you want. You can see a whole lot of different subcategories, so just click on any of them that you want and then find a product that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Apart from the digital products, you can also promote events and seminars. When you click on it, you can see the events and seminars that you can promote to make money from home. For example, if you click on online marketing, you are going to find the available events that you can promote. You can see this one, ChatGPT Daily Prompt. This is an event. If you promote it, you are going to be earning $11.18 per every sale that you get. You can see the card conversion rate is high, 23%. The next event is in German, and you can see your commission rate is $71.37. Apart from the events, you can promote services, you can promote physical products. Any kind of category that you want, just click on it and then find a product that you can promote. There is 24 products. You don't need an approval. Any product that you want, you can select it and then promote. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting a product that I've promoted before and it's getting me a lot of sales, so I want to promote it for you to see. So just scroll down to the bottom. This product right here, Billionaire Brainwave, people to train their brain to attract money. So you can see the card conversion rate is very high, 36%. That means if you get up to 100 people to click on it, or 200 people, 300 people, 400 people, any number of clicks that you get, 36% of those who click on the link are likely to purchase the product. That is the card conversion rate. You can see the commission rate is $41.69, so it is one of the best that you can promote since it has a high card conversion rate. Once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to check the landing page of the product so that you can get more information about it. So click on sales page. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see some basic information about the product before you can start promoting it. You can see this is the product landing page. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. They have a video on the landing page, so your potential visitors have to watch this video. Once they watch the video, they can decide to buy the product. This video was made by experienced marketers. It has enough information that can educate people to buy the product. So you as an affiliate, what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic to this page so that the people can watch the video and then purchase the product. I've already watched the video, but I recommend that click on the video and then watch it so that you can get some basic information about the product before you promote it. Now, once you are able to get some basic information about the product, the next step is that you are going to click right here, Promote Now. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So you can click right here, Copy Promo Link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. That is the link that you have to promote to other people so that they can click on it and then buy the product, so that you can be paid a commission of $41.69 per every sale that you get. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source. There are a lot of different traffic sources that you can use to get people to purchase the product for you to earn money. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to use free traffic source to get people to purchase the product for you to make money. In my next video, I'll also talk about a paid traffic source that you can use to get people to buy the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is thoughthouse.com. On this website, you can advertise your affiliate links for free without paying for anything. You can see they have a lot of different categories, so any category that you want, you can select it and then post your ad. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see a whole lot of them. So just search for the right category. Once you search for the right category, you can post your ad without paying for anything. Another good thing about this website is that they are available in many countries. For example, you can see if you click other countries, you see that they are available in many different countries. You can see a whole lot of different countries. You can see a whole lot of them. So any country that you want, you can select it and then post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see a whole list of countries. As you scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So just select any country that you want and then post your ad. In this case, we're going to be targeting one of the tier 1 countries. The tier 1 countries are United States, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, Australia. Those are tier 1 countries. They are the countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. So you can select any of those countries and then post your ad. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select United States. So click on USA. Once you select the country, the next step is that you're going to click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, you can see the different locations in the United States. You can see select a city. You can select any city that you want in the United States. You can see a whole lot of different cities that you can select. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. Just select any city that you want and then post your ad. In this case, I'm going to select this city right here. Once you select the city, the next step is that you are going to select the category of the product that you are promoting. In this case, it is an item for sale. So click on for sale. Once you click on it, you have to select the subcategory that is related to the product that you are promoting. You can see a whole lot of different categories. In this case, we are going to select business. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to write an ad title and then a description. You can write an ad title and a description by yourself, or you can use ChatGPT. In this case, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. So what you have to do is that you have to come on ChatGPT. Once you are on ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to write a prompt like this. Write an ad description on how to use brain rituals to attract money. Write a prompt like this. Once you have your prompt, click on send so that it will write an ad description for you. You can see this is the ad description. You can see this is the ad description that it has written. You can see everything. Now, once it has written the ad description, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy it. Highlight and copy the description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the title here. So you have to come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back on ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to insert your affiliate link in the description so that when people read it, they can click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you're on Digistore24, click on copy promo link. Once you copy your promo link, you're going to come back, highlight this call to action, highlight it. Once you highlight it, you're going to click on this globe icon. Once you click on it, you have to paste your affiliate link here. You can see that has been done. Once that is done, click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can type another call to action here and then insert your affiliate link. In this case, I'm going to type one here. So discover 7 seconds brain tricks to attract money, something like this. Just write a simple call to action like this. Once that is done, highlight it and then insert your affiliate link. So click on the globe icon. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link, click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you scroll down, you can see the preview of your description. You can see your affiliate link is clickable. You can see the first one and you can see the second one here. Your affiliate link is clickable. So this is exactly what people are going to see. Now once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you have to enter your email address here. So enter your email address. Once that is done, you have to upload pictures of the product. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to search for the name of the product on Google. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select it, you can see these are images of the product. Just download any of them that you want and then use it on your ad. In this case, I'm going to download this one right here. So right click on it. Once you right click on it, you have to click on save images so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, you have to come back, click on choose file. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The image has been uploaded. Once that is done, you can see people can contact me with commercial interest. Click on it. I agree to the terms of use by making a post. Click on it. Once that is done, you can see they have different promotional options. So when you click on it, you can see the different promotional options that you can select. If you want your ad to be featured on the website, you can select any number of days that you want and then pay for it. You can see the number of days and the amount that you have to pay. Apart from that, if you want your ad to stay longer on this website, you can click on it and then select. You can see the number of days that your ad can stay and the price that you have to pay. So just select any of them that you want and then make your payment. In this case, we are not going to select any of them, so just leave it as none. Once that is done, click on post now. As you can see, your ad has been posted. Congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. So your ad is live on the website. You are going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link. Make sure you post a lot of different ads onto this website. Keep on posting different ads onto this website. Do not keep on posting only one product. Make sure you select different products on Digits24. Come here and then post it. Make sure you post a lot of them so that you can be getting clicks and then sales. Do not give up. Make sure you post a lot of them so that you can earn money with affiliate marketing. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.